October 30th, 2025, euros had been sliding for days, and the chart was screaming weakness. But I wasn't looking to chase price down. I wanted to catch the point where the market trapped the late buyers and continue to fall from there. All I needed was confirmation that the higher time frame liquidity above had been cleared. On the bigger time frame, liquidity was still pending below major lows. That told me the market had more room to fall. I watched as price made a small pullback, tapping into an area where liquidity had just been taken from the upside. That's when I saw rejection candles and a clean shift in structure on the 5-minute chart. The bulls looked exhausted. Perfect timing for a short. I entered the sell position, targeting that liquidity resting below. I took this trade on 2 prop firm accounts. My stop was just above the rejection wick, tight and precise. Price started moving exactly as planned. Slow at first, then accelerating as more traders got trapped on the wrong side. Each new bearish candle confirmed that the idea was playing out beautifully. In the first prop firm, I booked $82.80 profit. In the second one, $72.10. Small wins, but clean execution. It's never about the size of the profit. It's about following the plan and reading the liquidity right. This EURUSD short was all about patience and precision, waiting for liquidity to get cleared, seeing structure shift and trusting the plan. These are the kinds of trades that build consistency and confidence. If you found this recap helpful, make sure to check out my next trade breakdown.